Hey guys, welcome back to Just Aboard again. Today I'm in the Hyundai Sonata 2021 and I'm going to show you how to change out the cabin filter. Pretty straightforward. So obviously here at the glove box, open it up. Now over here you see this clip. You just move it over. To release the rest of this, you just have to push down or push out, sorry. Or here you can see it's held in there. Same on this side. It would be easier with two hands, but there you go. Here's a little better look. What holds it in place. They're just held in here. So now that we've gotten that opened up, you got a tab here. You squeeze like that. And you can pull this out. It even says, it has a marking there that says up, so you know which way's up. And there is the filter, the cabin filter. Now I just gotta pull it out. Take it slow because it might be full of dirt and debris depending how long it's been. And pay attention to this, it shows you airflow. So you wanna make sure it's the same when you put it in because your new filter will show it. Now this is pretty old and gross. It has 30,000 miles before it's been changed, so definitely time. Here's a new one right here. See how it has airflow? So we got to make sure it matches the other one. We're going to get in there. Make sure it's all the way in. Sorry about that. It's difficult with one hand. Make sure it's all the way in. Sorry, I had to adjust myself because it was a little difficult sitting on the seat and putting this in. There it is. And now all you gotta do is push this up. Just like that. Make sure to lock this back in here. There you go. And you're all set. All right, we'll catch you next time. Just aboard again, make another video. Later. And then just repeat the steps in reverse.